Lower Lajasan. Today is my second day eating the sandwich, the Vietnamese sandwich. You see, I only like bacon, so at least here, the bacon, they cut it big. Normally the place, they chop it. They like really chopping it to small pieces. I got it from here. I don't know if it's good. I also got myself some beef jerky. They call this is wet jerky. So they also have a dry one. This one, I'm taking them home because there's nothing in my village. Let me see if this one tastes good. Nah, it's okay. Not as good as I imagined. Oh, they don't hit me burn back there. What the hell? No wonder it doesn't taste that good. Lower Lajasan. This is a beach nearby my grandpa's house.